everybody, Steve with the SDP Band, back again, another reaction. It is day 10 of the warning. Today I'm going to do the Survive sound check for the opening of The Killers in 2018. I have not seen this yet neither, so I'm going to check it out and see what it's like. I don't know who's shooting the video, but it looks like it's pretty far away. Hopefully get a little closer up. Anyway, hey, if you like my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below. Let's get started. That's a cool stage setup. It's a big stage. Okay, one thing I noticed is that Ollie is very, very docile during the sound check. She's saving her energy, I guess, for the show, but unusual to not see her moving around so much.
So, Paulina, we're about to open for The Killers. How was sound check?
It was great.
How are you feeling?
Sound check was really good. It was quick, efficient. I was kind of nervous, and I'm still very nervous, actually. But in the sound check, I blew off a little steam. It was cool, and it was pretty quick. I played for the first time with my pink drumsticks. It was cool. And apart from that, it was pretty normal. It was a sound check, I guess. It felt weird. Well, not weird. It felt exciting to be playing, like, even though there wasn't anybody there, but we were playing like in our hometown arena, so that was pretty cool.
So I hear there's a lot of people already lined up because it's a sold-out concert for The Killers. So, what do you think?
It's pretty nerve-wracking, honestly, but I'm pretty excited about it. And I just saw pictures of the people who are outside, and I thought there were gonna be less people than that. So now I'm pretty stoked about it. It's pretty cool that people are actually gonna be able to see us. But again, I'm pretty nervous about it. Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Thank you. Good luck. Break a leg.
Thank you.
Okay, that was pretty cute. You could tell she was nervous, but hey, who wouldn't be nervous playing an arena that size? And especially what this is 2 years ago. So yeah, that would have been kind of nerve-wracking. Powell's so cute though. Like I said, it amazes me that that Ollie's not moving around the stage like she is, because Danny's doing like she normally does. She doesn't change anything. So That's pretty crazy to see. Anyway, that's day number 10 now for the warning. If you like my channel, hit the like button. Please subscribe, share with your friends, comment down below, and everybody have a great evening.